In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Wix website responsive on all devices. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to update. Once your site is open in the dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. When the editor loads, go to the viewport controls at the top and switch to the tablet view. In this view, carefully review the layout of your page. Look at how each section appears on a tablet-sized screen. Adjust the size and position of elements so they fit properly within the available space. Make sure text boxes, images, buttons, and other content blocks are easy to read and do not feel crowded. As you work through the tablet layout, check the spacing between sections, images, buttons, and text. Everything should be aligned neatly and spaced consistently. Clean spacing helps the site look more professional and makes it easier to navigate. Next, switch to the mobile view. Go through your website from top to bottom and inspect each section carefully. Mobile screens are smaller, so this step is especially important. Resize images, text, buttons, and any other elements so they display clearly and fit well on the screen. If you notice anything overlapping or out of place, reposition it so the layout looks clean and organized. You can also hide non-essential elements on mobile if they are not necessary for the mobile experience. This can help simplify the page and improve usability for visitors on smaller devices. After that, check your site's interactive elements. Make sure menus, buttons, forms, and links are easy to tap and work correctly. Mobile and tablet users should be able to navigate the site without difficulty. Once you have finished your adjustments, click Preview. Test your website in desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Review the full experience on each screen size and look for anything that still needs improvement. If needed, return to the editor and make final layout changes to ensure everything looks polished and functions properly. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make your responsive changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.